Galaxy Buds Pro come with the most intelligent active noise cancellation on true wireless earbuds. Galaxy Buds Pro will easily switch audio to the device you're using. If you have a pair of Buds Live, we've made sure you can still use your accessories. They'll be available for $199 starting January 15th. Smart Things Find with Galaxy SmartTag. It's a small, portable device you'll be able to easily attach to the things you love most. The Galaxy Find network that powers Smart Things Find is encrypted from end to end. Galaxy SmartTag Plus is built with ultra-wideband technology, or UWB. You can get a SmartTag on January 29th, and you'll be able to get a SmartTag Plus later this year.
I'm so excited to finally be able to tell you about the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. We've created a contra-cut design by combining the camera shell with the frame of the phone, covering the camera fully in metal. This camera housing is stronger and more durable than when it was covered in glass, and your phone's design is stylish and seamless. Galaxy S21 comes in 4 colors, while S21 Plus comes in 3. Building the S21 series with an adaptive screen that goes between 48 and 120 Hz. Our new Eye Comfort Shield analyzes your usage pattern to automatically adjust your blue light filter. Whether you choose Galaxy S21 and its 6.2-inch display, or the S21 Plus and its 6.7-inch display, you will get the most advanced, intelligent display we've ever put on a smartphone. So of course, you want to make sure it's really well protected. We built these phones with our toughest front glass ever, so you can have peace of mind, with 3 lenses that render your memories crisp and clear. That kind of intelligence turns everyday photography into an epic experience. The S21 series has various portrait modes that accentuate the subject and make them pop. With Studio Mode, AI adjusts the lighting to create perfect portraits that look crisp and natural. 8K is a revolution in video resolution. 8K video is 4 times sharper than 4K, giving you super high quality in every shot. Just hold the camera for up to 15 seconds, and your phone does all the thinking for you. It's like having a personal editor inside your phone, easily creating photos, videos, and boomerangs you can share immediately. At 5 nanometers, this chip represents the most significant leap in our chip performance ever, and that starts with the CPU. We're delivering 20% faster CPU, 35% faster GPU, and 2 times faster AI. And we've adopted ARM architecture to significantly increase our overall chipset speed, giving you the power to reach 20 tera operations per second. And S21 and S21 Plus will last all day, even in a 5G network. With Unity, we developed adaptive performance, giving you the games you love without the battery drain or overheating you find on other devices. I just simply tap the people I want to remove, like say this guy, and then AI does the rest for me. Easy, right? S21 will be available starting at $799, and S21 Plus starting at $999. Both models can be yours on January 29th.
S21 Ultra has the most power we've ever built into a smartphone camera. You'll be able to capture incredible 12-bit RAW files in Pro mode. This phone has 3 times more dynamic range than photos on the S20, so you won't miss a single detail.
Our S21 Ultra will let you shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second with every lens on your phone, front, tele, wide, and ultra-wide lens alike.
And we created a striking color to match. Introducing Phantom Black.
This is Galaxy S21's Phantom Black.
Phantom Black is our boldest color yet. As you switch between videos or pause to check emails, your phone will automatically shift between 10 and 120 Hz to optimize your viewing experience. This powerful device has a 6.8-inch display. That's why we're introducing Wacom technology to S21 Ultra and making it the first ever S-Series device compatible with the S Pen. It puts precision at your fingertips, so you can take charge of your mobile experience. You can use it to write, draw, and make more precise edits. We're introducing 2 new independent S Pens today. The standard model, now bigger with a more comfortable grip, and the more advanced S Pen Pro. The S Pen Pro lets you take advantage of all the great Bluetooth features you've come to love, like using Air Actions to snap a photo remotely, control your music player, or click through a presentation. With just the S Pen Pro, you'll be able to use all these amazing features across our latest S Pen-supported Galaxy devices. The S Pen for S21 Ultra will be available at launch, and the S Pen Pro will be available later this year. We're working with industry-leading pen companies to design S Pen and S Pen Pro models that show off your style. S21 Ultra is the only model in the S21 series compatible with the S Pen.
You can get your very own Ultra device on January 29th for $11.99, and you'll be able to make it truly your own and choose among 3 gorgeous backplate colors that match the unique camera deco pattern. If you choose the S21 Plus, you can pick between 2 stunning colors with a delicate rose gold shell. These colors will be available exclusively from Samsung.com in select countries. However you personalize your phone, it will be a one-of-a-kind device to give you one-of-a-kind experiences.